Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor X6 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and then find the biometrics and password. Let's tap on the fingerprint ID. And as you can see, because I know it may be quite confusing, but here we've got the lock screen. Why? We've just picked the fingerprint. It is because you have to add the backup screen lock. Of course, if you've got one currently set, then you will be just transferred to another step. If not, you really have to do it right now. You can pick the pattern pin or password. It is because that if for some reason your device will if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device. Alright, let me set this pattern then. And here we've got the fingerprint options. We can first of all decide for what we want to use the fingerprint for. So for example, unlock device. But if you don't want to decide right now, you can just tap on new fingerprint. But I will use it to unlock the device. And here we've got the animation, the information that we have to put our finger on the sensor, which is on the power button of on the right side of our device. So let me do it. And right now we have to repeat this motion. So just put your finger on the sensor, change the position of your finger, of course for better recognition, so your device will be able to check a lot of areas of your finger. Finally, with a little trouble, we added our fingerprint to this device, so just tap on OK. I don't want to set the Face ID. All right, we've got more options here in this section. We can decide whether we want to unlock the device only with the motion of pressing the finger or with pressing the button, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned on. Of course, you can check the other one, but you'll see that the rest finger is more comfortable. You can decide whether if you want to feel the vibration when the fingerprint is not recognized. It's up to you. We've got the fingerprint list, up to 5 different fingerprints you can add. You can rename this one if you want to. This is the fingerprint we just added, so rename or delete it. And you can identify the fingerprint, which works kind of like a test. If you've got more fingerprints added, like 3, 5, you can enter it and you can simply put the fingers on the sensor and check if your device will recognize them for you. Alright, enough of talking, let's lock the device and let's check if it is working. So let me try to unlock it. And as you can see, it is unblocked, which simply means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to add the fingerprint in your Honor X6. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.